So you're thinking about buying the 13-foot, 440-ton FATMAX. So let's take a look at it. But while we're walking over to it, here's the 8-foot, 330-ton. And here's the 5-foot, 220-ton. And of course, the bad boy, 13-foot, 440-ton, 6+1 axis FATMAX machine. Just do a little walk around on it here. So this one has the DA53X controller, which is a slight upgrade over the standard DA53T controller. It's got a larger screen and support for 6+1 axis. So this machine will come with an integrated transformer, and we just have it hot wired up right now just to do some testing with. But this transformer will support 208, 220, 240, or 480 volts, whatever you have. And so we have a full 6+1 axis. We have X axis, R axis, independent Z1 and Z2, and then we have Y1 and Y2 individual cylinder control, and then we have the automatic crowning compensation system, which is right here. This machine comes with a good amount of tooling. You got a heavy duty straight punch. You got the adjustable die bed that also serves as the platform for other tooling to be installed into. This ranges from around a 3-inch opening out to an 8 1/4 inch opening. So you can bend everything from, say 1/4 inch up to 1 inch, or even more, 1 1/4 inch in the 8.5 inch opening setting. And that punch is good for 1 1/4 inch as well. So your machine has dual cabinets on it. Not that you care too much about that, but we have a Y-axis control side over here, and your main power feed is into this side. And then the cabinet on the other side has the rest of the control, all your servos and for all the axes over here. So let's show it to you. Let's get it running and make some bends and show you how this bad boy works. So we're going to bend that 30-inch piece of 1-inch plate. Well, let's get the job set up. So right up here, we're going to tell it 1 inch thick.